What's up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? Welcome to CC Scraps and Restorations channel. So, we got a bit of a surprise for y'all. Stickers are in. If you guys are familiar with my channel, this is the one I start y'all off with. And this is, the N one, and this is what my YouTube icon is. But, now I'm thinking of changing the icon. And if you think I should change this icon to this one coming up, let me know in the comments below. Check that out. Isn't that cool? My wife drew this, actually. I told her kind of what I wanted, and she just went nuts with it. Look at the scar in my eyeball. Look at the piercing on my chin. That's what's up. And the lady that made these for me, Facebook her at Kathy Wadsworth. I guess she makes mugs, stickers. I don't know if she does shirts or not, but we're definitely going to give her some repeat business because these things came out totally cool. The only thing I should have done was bought vinyl paper so they were a little more shinier, and I don't know how well they do in the weather because I didn't get the vinyl paper, but that's on me. But other than that, these are amazing. Look at it. Look at the close up. That looks like something right out of Fallout 4, doesn't it? And then, you guys know that one. So if you guys want one of these stickers, please email me at ciccarelli23@gmail.com or ciccarelli42@gmail.com. I'll leave the emails in the description below, and I'll put a little blurb up here, a little text of the emails for you guys. Again, if you think I should change the icon from this to this, let me know. I might do it for a little while. I don't know. I just, I've had this one for 4 years, and everybody that watches my channel, that subscribed to my channel, that knows me, they're going to know it's still CC Scraps and Restorations. And the people that don't know me, they're not going to know anything because they've never seen it before. But this will be still the header and everything, and yeah, this is so cool, you guys. So what do you think? If you want one, let me know. You want all three, let me know while supplies last. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one. CC Scraps Restorations. Thanks for watching, y'all.